So whenever there are two triangles similar, what is the meaning of similar triangles? First, we will discuss that. ABC, PQR are two triangles. They are definitely not equal. Okay. So how do we call them as similar? If the corresponding angles, any of the two corresponding angles, let's say this is theta, this is also theta. So I will write angle A is equal to angle P, and let's say angle B is equal to angle Q. Any of the two corresponding angles of a triangle, if they are equal, then triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. Whenever I am writing the triangle names, I have to make sure that the corresponding angles are written in the same order. A was equal to P, so A is written first, over there P is written first. B was equal to Q, so B and Q are written at the same place, and the third one is by default. It will come at the third option only. So when triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So corresponding side will be AB, PQ. So AB over PQ. The next corresponding side will be BC over QR. And then last one will be AC over PR. If triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So this is all you should know about two similar triangles.